Goeiedag and welcome back to a brand new spooky edition with me, Shantae, or Sita, whichever you prefer to call me. And in this spooky episode, we're going to transform ourselves into oh so lovely puppet Mr. Jigsaw himself. So if you want to see how to recreate this magical game look, stay tuned. Or this playful look. Hola! I'm back again with a very skewed tie. And if you're wondering what's going on with the eyeliner, I had winged eyeliner on this morning. One rubbed off, I don't know where the other one went. So let's do this! First of all, before we start our game, we need to block out our brows and apply a bald cap. I also quickly sculpted some features of the man, like his cheeks, his chin, his brows and his more pointier nose than me, using cotton wool and latex, so you can go that road as well beforehand, or you can just straight on draw the features onto your face if you don't want to use cotton wool latex, but that will just give it a more jigsawy appearance. Yes, ugly bald cap application, here we go. It's like the worst bald cap application I've ever done. But at the end of the day, you're not gonna see the edges of the bald cap, so I'm not gonna give a care in this world. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this little pieces of prosthetics applied to my face using mastic spirit gum, and then I'm gonna blend it in further into my skin and add more bumps and lumps and structures to my face with cotton wool and latex, just to bring it more puppet dimensions, if you say so. Righto, he had a terrible nose job. Let's just leave it there. It didn't went to the best. It didn't have a lot of money to go to the best rhinoplastic surgery. He accepted it, and the Botox went a bit too much in his life, but he can't really speak at this moment and point of time because it's quite stretching the face. But remember to powder all of this concoction after you applied everything with latex and cotton wool. Then we're gonna go ahead and start the painting. I firstly put in black eyeliner in the waterline. This is so difficult to speak. Oh my goodness. Okay, then I'm gonna take white and just start, you know, smacking it absolutely everywhere. So take white and just smack your entire face with the white. Perfect. After we have our crusty base, which I quite like for a puppet effect, so I didn't want everything to be like neatly blended or neatly, I wanted to look like rubbish, you can half say, just to give that more puppet, weird, creepy effect illusion. So then we're gonna take black aqua paint and start doing the eyes and that prominent puppet effect. Righto, time to add in those weird spirals he has on his cheek. So grab your red aqua paint and spiral away. So I'm so sorry. I want to laugh like my ass off, but I can't because I can't properly open my mouth. So spiral away. Before I do the lips, I'm just gonna go around and do some extra shading using black eyeshadow. So just to make things more popping where they need to be more popping and stuff is like that. So yeah, just add in a little extra bit of shading. That's all. To the red classic lips. Oops, I almost make it black. Don't make it black, we wanted a classic red one. So back with our trusty aqua paint again and give him some very thin, smudged lips. The final touches is adding a wig. So I don't have the correct wig for this character, don't judge. But I do have this one. It's black, so I'm just gonna roll with it. And you want to place the wig quite far back on the scalp because he has quite a dramatic. This wig needs to get shorter. This is like a rock star Jigsaw. Oh, okay. I'm gonna cut wig. Let's try this again. Let's try it again. Much better. Okay, so now we just need to style you a bit. Fabulous. So all that is left to do now is to get into costume and let the games begin. And remember to find that tricycle. You can't go without that tricycle, bicycle. I lost my tricycle, but I found Penny's balloons. So we're gonna search for Penny and my tricycle. Okay, come. So this is it for today's spooky video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please go watch my other videos. Also subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up button, ring the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at CJ_opulence_MUA. And I'll see you all on the next spooky edition. Spook out.